Thanks for staying with us. The balance of political power in Virginia is now in the hands of the state Supreme Court. It's weighing the first of many legal challenges to a voter-approved redistricting plan that likely gives Democrats 4 additional seats in Congress.
ABC 13's Allison Mullett reports from Richmond as justices consider whether the measure was legally placed on the ballot.
It's the first step in a lengthy legal battle as multiple lawsuits head to the Virginia Supreme Court. This morning, a crowd filled the courtroom to hear arguments in a case that could dramatically alter the balance of power in Washington.
At the center of today's debate was whether the amendment was legally placed on the ballot. The lawsuit, Scott versus McDougal, challenges Democrats' decision to take up the amendment during last fall's special session. Ryan McDougal says the case centers on 3 issues: whether it was properly posted, if the passage happened before or during the general election, and whether lawmakers could change the special session call.
We think all those 3 arguments are strong, and we're confident in this court.
Justices focused on the definition of Election Day today. Virginia law requires an amendment to pass the General Assembly twice, with an election in between.
Webster's, Oxford, Black's Law, they all define election to mean the entire process by which votes are cast to determine a winning candidate.
But Don Scott's attorney, Matthew Seligman, says early voting is not the same as Election Day.
Black's Law Dictionary defines early voting as early participation prior to the election. And so there's a consistent understanding across law that early voting is participation in the election before the election.
Both sides say they're confident as they now wait for a ruling.
Over 2 million people voted in favor to ratify this proposed constitutional amendment last Tuesday, and the challengers are asking to overturn that Democratic result. And so I think that justices are appropriately interested in scrutinizing those arguments very carefully.
You can read a lot into what a judge says. You can read a little into what a judge says. How the judge speaks is through the orders, and we'll get an order when they've made a decision.
The judge has not yet issued a ruling, but will keep you updated when a decision is handed down. Reporting in Richmond, Allison Mullett, ABC 13 News.